This is a summary of the essential content from the food studies topic, Macronutrients, Fats. This is from ORCA Education's e-learning library. The short video will summarize key facts or key concepts from this course topic. Fats are solid at room temperature, like butter, and oils are liquid, like olive oil. Fat is a concentrated source of energy and provides essential vitamins and fatty acids. Visible fats come from butter, cream, meat, and oils, while invisible fats are found in processed foods. Saturated fats are solid at room temperature and found in butter and fatty meats, while unsaturated fats are in oils and spreads. We do need fats in our diet, but in moderation and the right types. Fats are made of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, and contain different types of fatty acids. Women need around 70 g of fat per day, while men need 95 g. Too little fat can lead to vitamin deficiencies, while too much can cause weight gain. Cakes, fatty meats, and processed foods are high in saturated fats, which are linked to heart disease. Including sources like vegetable oils, fish, margarine, and nuts provides essential fatty acids for healthy body tissue. Eating foods high in saturated fat can increase cholesterol levels and contribute to heart disease. Balanced fat intake is crucial.